down, and it's time to push the button. Please welcome your hosts, Ant and Dec.
The show where two families go head-to-head in a battle to take home a massive cash prize.
Families from all over Britain applied to be here, and tonight we've got two more who are ready to play games that are very big and very, very silly.
Yes, but before that, back to last Monday morning when we turned up out of the blue and gave them the shock of their lives.
And we always make sure we turn up in the most unlikely places.
Yeah.
This week we actually managed to sneak into someone's bedroom and get under the duvet with them.
I still can't believe it was the wrong house, though. The old fella in bed was furious.
You see, I told you not to spoon him.
I couldn't help it. I just had to...
Loves a spoon. But after that, we finally made it to Kent and Birmingham. Oh, yes. Here's what happened. Can you make your way to the front door?
Open the front door and tell us what you see.
Lord Almighty.
Come here.
Oh, you're real.
I
So that's it. We've got the team together. We'll see you on the telly. We've got the nacho.
I've been waiting here for ages. Oh, I'm shaking.
I've never had this responsibility for a mission before. How are you? Can we come in?
Yes.
I think that's Claire. I hope that's Claire. It is Claire. So there we go. We've got the whole team.
See you in the studio.
Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome the stars of tonight's show, the Kenwoods and the McDonalds. Welcome to the show, guys. Are you ready, Kenwoods?
Yeah! Ready, McDonald's?
Ready, everyone?
All right, let's give you both £100,000. The bad news is, though, that neither of you are going to finish the show with that amount of money. You see, you're going to go head-to-head over 4 games that are all designed to knock money off that total. After those 4 games, the family with the most money will get the chance to win the lot when they challenge our Dave at the end of the show.
OK, then, let's get started with game number 1. Our families don't know who will be playing this game, so I can reveal, playing this one for the Kenwoods is... Keely!
And playing first for the McDonald's tonight is... Claire! So, Claire and Keely, come and join us for the first family face-off.
Welcome to the show. Now, Keely, you got quite a shock at the garage on Monday, didn't you?
Yeah, well, you don't really expect you two to pop up when you're queuing up to pay for petrol, do you?
Good point. Yeah, she's got a point there. Do you know what? We were crouched down under there for a long time waiting for you.
That's all right, you're young, you've got young joints.
I had cramp by the end of it. And then how's the rest of the week been?
It's been a very surreal week. I've been having lots of dreams.
Have you?
Dreamt about you.
Have you? How was it?
Well, it was both of you.
What the fuck?
I had a dream that we all worked in Blockbuster Video.
Oh, is that it? See, I normally have dreams about other celebrities, but they're not normally that normal, if you see what I'm saying.
Not really.
I probably shouldn't mention them on TV. You're involved. The very best of luck tonight, though, to you and the rest of the Kenwoods. Good luck.
Claire, how has this week been for the McDonald's?
It's been manic. Lorraine thought that you were in a box in the gym. Some big burly man had a 6-foot box and she was training and she thought, he's coming to get me and they're in the box. The man put the box down, opened it up, and it was a weights machine.
Oh. Well, the clue there is if it was a 6-foot box, it definitely wasn't us. Definitely was not us. Let's show you both our first game of the evening, and this is We've Been Framed.
As always, our games are tested by guinea pigs just for you at home. Here they are, accompanied by the voice of Ronnie Corbett.
Ant and Dec have been present at some of the most important events in history, and they've got pictures of the lot. Players must race to hang up the pictures in chronological order. When they're happy with the choice, they can push the button, but the countdown will only stop when all the pictures are in the right place.
We're going to play this one in alphabetical order, which means the Kenwoods are going first. So, Claire, would you take the McDonald's and wait backstage? We'll see you in a minute. Claire and the McDonald's, everybody.
Good luck. Your time starts when you push the button.
Here we go. England hosting the European Championships.
United.
So that's
Where?
There we go.
Dean's got his live push to a trial, this one.
Good TV, that. Good TV. Next up, Obama's inauguration. Good day, that wasn't it?
It was a lovely day.
Lovely day.
Just fun. Nelson Mandela's freed from jail.
Well done, Keely. Next up, Olympic glory. I won some medals that day. Where's that going to go? Okay, where's it going to go? Okay.
Happy day next. Charles and Camilla's wedding.
Oh.
Charles and Camilla's wedding.
Didn't she look lovely? She was gorgeous. She made a lovely bride. Well done. Up next, Oasis's first album. That's the cover there. What year was it released? Have a good think. That's it. Slot it in. You've got one left. One left.
Tony Blair is elected Prime Minister for the first time.
Okay, where's that going to go?
97!
What do you want to swap? Do you want to swap this with what?